YouTube TriStars. As I may say, TriStars is one new video. And you don't know another video here, we're going to talk about money.
Still I count all money, and me no job for no new money yet. Hey, when you make a dollar, you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. Millions the inna the billy. No one bag of teeth when you see me. Fresh cash.
Let me just put that aside. And money at the topic, right? So we're gonna get straight into it. All right, this is actually 1 year and a month. So this topic is a very serious topic. Well, it's serious to me in a sense where, honestly, I know better, you know what I mean? Because I'm not really the first, but in another situation here, it kind of look different. So I have to actually talk about it. I have to, speak about it. It's on my mind. And I never really let it go until after I've done this video. I'm going to just leave it. You know what I mean? Well, I actually leave it already. But I'm just going to have a conversation with you guys and, finish this topic. This is one of the topics that I never talk about or never mention in none of my videos coming up. You know what I mean? And this topic I want to talk about money and friends. Everybody know the point. You know what I get to already, you know what I mean? Everybody have an understanding. Let me take off the jacket here. I'm just put it on just to start the video, really. When I really need it. Now, let me talk to you guys. Yeah, so this is it. I have a friend of mine, I meet him here at school. Call himself Troy. A name like me, call himself Troy. But me call him Big Troy because he's bigger than me. You know what I mean? Big man for me. Big enough man. Have him you with them, his son and his daughter, and he have him wife. You know what I mean? My friend Bramley, or my real link, Bramley, tell me not to talk about this. But Bramley, big up yourself at TriStars. You don't know. I hope a good advice they give me, but I'm not leave that one here alone. That one here, they on mind, so I'll just talk it and get it over with. Alright, here you go now, YouTube. Right after this message, we'll get back with the real point. You know what I mean? So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, and make sure to watch this to the end and listen and leave in a comment and let me know what I want. TriStars.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yo, YouTube, when I come back, go to there still. Alright, you are going now. Back to Big Troy. Want to link them, you know what I mean? Meet him where we go to school. In a Castlegar. So, long and short of the story is, Big Troy actually get through with his paperwork from 1 year prior to when him come here. You know what I mean? Everybody has to get 2 year work permit, him get 1. You know what I mean? Him go through with him thing. Him putting in paperwork. And he's all the way over in Winnipeg. Work for a company over that side. You know what I mean? Ever since we did a link from school. Most of our link because one link. The whole from reach up we build a team. Like it's like a family thing, you know what I mean? We as a little group coming out of the big country, we don't really know a lot of people, so we kinda keep our link, you know what I mean, to make sure say we can give each other advices and stuff and collect advice from each other and try to, push yourself and go further with this thing. Because everybody is new to the situation, you know what I mean? So having 1 and 2 link in a circle because remember, you come here by yourself, you didn't come here with families or anything. So you just want to make sure say, you're on the right track and you can follow. And you can, get some information along the way. That being said, me and Troy we always a reason over the phone and thing. You know what I mean? We make phone calls and we talk, you know what I mean? Because, we drive, go down the road and we talk. This topic we're going to talk about now is when we're going to buy a truck, as in me motivate him to buy him truck, him I carry me on same way, and that's how we deal with it because we say, the only way to make our money is to jump out of the situation we're in right now because we get to understand that the company driver thing never did really cut it. You know what I mean? The company driver never was gonna pay the bills here and then the bills back in Jamaica and still be comfortable. You know what I mean? Because as I explained to you guys before, being here, you have two bills, the one here and the one back home. You know what I mean? If you as a man will take care of your responsibilities, you know what I mean? Like your family and, you know, kids, whatever, bills, you know what I mean? So to be here and be a company driver, you would have to do a lot to make ends meet at times, you know what I mean? If everyone was here and you start off here, maybe be a bit easier because you won't need to, you know, have two bills to pay. You'd have to one, you know, because family and everyone will be here. Anyway, try, you know, do him thing, work with the company over Winnipeg, like I said before, and decide. We decide we'll go buy a truck, which me never finished my 2 year yet, and me never get through. I didn't get through with my paperwork as yet. Also, you guys already know that. But my interest was to get my own truck and start my own thing long time. You know what I mean? So I'm really my Andrew, Ryan. I call him Big Try because I tried them call him. You know what I mean? The thing is this, you know me, I do my little savings and thing, you know what I mean? Put my stuff together, make sure I say my on target, right? Now, try it out ahead of me in terms of where paperwork is concerned. You know what I mean? So if I've it's not a risk taking to get your own truck and go out on your own now. Likewise me, which never finish up with my paperwork, things, you know, where me actually jump out same way because you don't know, me just eager for, you know, make this thing happen, make this thing work, you know what I mean? Use the potential, use the opportunity, use the knowledge and the experience that I have already to further my life or my situation or my current stage, you know what I mean? So anyway, try make the move, you know, go out there and search and find a truck, you know what I mean? And they find I think it was an International, and in that stage the first call me get from Try after he found the truck and everything, and, you know, getting through with the loan and all that, was for a loan to help pay down on the truck, right? Now in that stage it was actually a call to me and you know, a one link, as we talk every day. So when he called me about the loan if you do the down payment, he's like me and say, big brother, how is it that you borrow a loan for the down payment and you're not start the getting on it and there's a lot more in the process to do, you know what I mean? So right there and then me I said to him, said, no man, you do something wrong, big brother, man. Is either you wait some more and get some more cabbage before you actually jump out, because it not look right already because you just have start off, you know what I mean? So I mean, I guess he makes some link, because it wasn't a lot when he called for borrow still, you know, it wasn't a lot. So I guess he makes some link and, you know, make things happen and make things work. I mean, kind of show him, say, yo, why not link your bank, or why not try to get one of them small loan if I solve the case, you know what I mean? And kick everything the right way, because you don't know what to do this thing, alright? Anyway, try to kick off the Gideon about 3 to 4 months working as an owner operator. Because I'm a big owner operator now, you know. More time in shop, we talk every day because we have to depend on the game, you know what I mean? More time in show me, yo, you know, yeah, my thing I go on, you know what I mean? This a work, you know, and he might do him thing and he might work for a couple of a company, you know, in switch from company to another company there, you know what I mean? Like, I say, yo, them not deal me right and so forth, and, you know what I mean? He might show me little things and I say, John, no, really? Brother, if you have to move, you know, because certain things not gonna make sense, you know what I mean? So just do what you need to do and carry on. Anyway, that being said, one day, me in my car, actually outside of my gate, and I get a phone call. I look on the phone, I try. Answer the phone, and I say, "What go on, big brother? What you deal with?" You know what I mean? So the man I say, "Yo, Try. Big man thing, me never want to call you, know. But really and truly, dog, me I tell you the truth, my youth. Right now, me not spot. Yo, me not spot, dog. God believe me not spot." Me I tell you the exact word the man I tell me about the phone, man. The man all a ball, you know. And a joke thing, me I tell you, man, like, you can't hear it in the man voice, you know, man. The man, I see your dog, big man thing, dog, right now, within a situation, the company I work with, no, give me no money in my youth, and right now, I have my loan for my van, and I have my rent, my youth, and my wife, they here, dog, and big man thing rough. You know, right now, me in the van, I don't know what to do my youth, because people might go around me, dog, and dip on the phone, I listen to the man. Big man thing, I talk every day, so I know how close me to my thing right now, you know what I mean? I said, John, what dog? They know me already, I say, yo, and I say, yo, big brother, here we go, we are Jamaican, you know, man, you know, jump out there and make you feel, you know, big brother, so anything to help you out, you know, brother, me help you out, and okay, you don't know, say, next month, I go buy my truck, you know what I mean? The date now, we're talking about in 2017, June the 16th, 2017. I'm going to show now a picture on the screen with everything that in the finishing of the story. I'm going to show now what going. Now, when I get that call, actually my girl sit down beside me. But based on how my boy talks so loud, she overhear the conversation. And right away she said, don't let him. I mean, don't even itch. I said to him, say, dog, you know, say, one girl that said I'm right now, and she say, I'm not feeling a dog, big man thing. I not even go around the thing to tell you the truth, because to all she there one side, I say, yo, Ray. And me, I say, yo, you have to talk to her now. I go, so, bam, I give her the phone. He goes, so, boom, and in the talk. And tell her the same story and tell me and think, because, you know, myself, me, I say, boy, you know, I can't make one of our family drop out of the thing, you know what I mean? Just like that, you know what I mean? Because the first time when it actually linked me on the pay down thing, she was there. And she advised me, say, yo, no, you can't give, because how is it that? Because you know how women stay with money already. You don't know that thing there. Everybody know that thing. When a woman comes to money, then we tell it, you know, sometimes they right still, we're not going to lie to them. You know what I mean? Sometimes better you listen to one girl than go beyond it. Sometimes things go wrong, you understand? So, it's like, when after she come off and give me back the phone, don't talk to try and give me back the phone, she say, don't let him. See him, you know, after she come off the phone, I said, John, no. The amount to him asked her now was 5,000 Canadian dollar. Promised to give me back the 15th of the month. No, sorry, the 30th of the month. 30th of the month. I'm going to let him the 16th. So it will be the end of the month. When him get paid. Because basically when him call me and tell me, say, this is at the blank week, and you never know a month in the back end for work, and the next fortnight before he get paid, which is would be the next 2 weeks after, prior to the time when him call, right? Now, I said to myself, John, no, star, one girl, I said, don't let him up. So I just talk to her, I say, hear me, I said, no. Hear me, I said, one girl. Sometimes in life, you don't have to wall out for everybody, you know what I mean? Sometimes some people, you could have been the one to make them continue, and you could have made the one to make them carry on with them just by a little help, you know what I mean? Just a little help that they need, because sometimes everybody when they jump up on them own can really manage, you know what I mean? So when I said to her, I said, hear me, I said, man, not every time you have to wall up on people, you know what I mean? Sometimes you have to give them a break. If you say you can, you know what I mean? But at the time, me never really have that much money to give away, you know. But because of how the reasoning and how I say, yo, a month, the 15th come, which a month end, the same time when I pick up my money, the same time I was gonna buy my truck. But I put it off until like 2 more weeks. Cause I say, you know what? Me give him some time. Anyway, my one girl upon me and say, you sure you want to give him so much money? You sure you want to careful what you do? I said, John, what's that? Anyway, I call him back now. I say, yo, big brother, you are going. I just send you the money for pay your truck loan, dog. You see me, I say, because pay your truck loan and any other loan you just talk. You can talk to the bank, you can talk to anybody, and they will give you more time, you know what I mean? Just talk to them from early, and they will work with you to make sure say your thing and just talk to them. I just sending the money just to pay your truck loan alone, dog, and it just, you know, carry on with your thing. That me I go do for you. You see me, I say, yo, dog, respect my youth, thank you, my youth, dog. Even that, my youth, if I so be the case, me just return all my van and thing, my youth. So if you can lend me, but I really appreciate, but man, so I'm like, yo, so you the man on the phone. Anyway, I said to myself, say, all right, and I can do that for you 1 3. Man say, all right, yo, I'm going to drive off, go to the bank right now, you know. Seeing? Because at the time, he tell me, say, I don't know how to use even the email transfer, because in Canada, you can send money through email. You just send it by email transfer through your bank, him receive it, him put it in a FIM account, and then he can do whatever. The man say, my drive, go straight to the bank, kind of understand the email thing, and I'm going to make the bank teller tell him how to receive it. And tell me, say, no, say a word, man. Sit down, right in the car. Same place in the car, I sit down. I'm send him 1,400 Canadian. Remember, I borrow 5,000, but I go lend him 1,400 Canadian dollar. For him truck payments. Bam, send it go give him. Him receive it. Because I say him receive it. And call me back and him say, yo, dog, respect in a try. Respect in a try. Thank you, my youth. Yo, you do it for no, you do it for me, not respect, you know me. I say, dog, me I feel good, me I say, yo, dog, don't worry yourself, man. We're there for help one of them, mate. One link, dog, so just do your thing, and so I start talk to him, because I say, mate, some things you do wrong, you know, why this not work for you, know, mate. Too much bills you put yourself under, you know. And me did that, I talk to him, and I say, yo, hear me, I say, you need to chop some things, you need to cut down on where you're going with them, penetrate on your business, you know what I mean? Work with the business first before, you know, you do all the way you need to do, you know what I mean? And make it work. I'm going to say, oh, dog, I true, you know, I go work on my thing, you know what I mean? Anyway, that being said, the boss, I do him thing, you know what I mean? So I easy back and bill and easy, you know what I mean? And I go on, me gonna work as my company driver, him I do him things, see me. Him call me every day, up to 5 days. So when he fall in the following week, me not to hear no call from him, but me not pay that no mind, because him they already know say I have my things to go deal with, so me never really paid any attention. Like me I say, sure. Sorry, 1 3. Him I do fame thing, and I mean, you know, I like him to call me every day. Anyway, when that boy when it coming down to the end of the week, still not hear nothing from him. I think about the Thursday. No, I think the Wednesday, we get a 1 call from him. Him asks if everything good. I say, yeah, man, everything alright, man. How things with you? I say, yeah, man, my day are going easy. Alright, they come down to Friday now. Never hear from him the Thursday. Come down to Friday now. Friday evening about 12 o'clock. That's how it will be the following. This would be the pay week time now, you know. You know what I mean? I think that the 30th was going to fall on the Saturday. And me know you don't really get paid on Saturday, so you're going to get paid the 29th, which will be the Friday in this case. Now, I call him. I don't hear nothing from him, because the time I boil him, I say, oh, I'm done him back. You know what I mean? So, call him, you know, so send him a message. I say, dog, oh, I call you, I try to call him, I don't hear nothing from you. I don't understand. Anyway, I call him back in the afternoon and say, yo, my not to want to call it. I never want to call him, I feel shame, my you. I not to get through with the thing to send him back, come again. You know? When him said that, now I said to him, no, lie. I don't want to lie now. Sorry. When my father call him on a Friday, he tell me, say, you know, I see a call but me busy, I do some work. And I say, So I say, oh, that thing they work out for you. I say, which thing? I say, today 30th or tomorrow, you don't get paper on Saturday. I get paper on the Friday, or you did. So I said, no, man, I never tell you the 30th. I said, 30 days. 30 days. When I start thinking about when I say 30 days, you never tell me nothing about 30 days. Mr. Mike, you never tell me nothing about 30 days. You say 38, man, you. I said, no, man, 30 days, Mr. Man. 30 days, that'll be 1 month. So I say, Jano, say, alright, do your thing. Because I never really hear that still, but 30 days, 30 days. I say things still. Just do your thing, man. You just know, say, because I made a plan to buy my truck next week. And you know, you have to tell me 30 days. So you are giving me the money same time I go buy the truck. I don't know. But anyway, do your thing. Anyway, we did the road, you know. Coming down to the 30 days now. I start calling from the Wednesday, coming to hear nothing from him. Now I call him the Tuesday, 1 call, never hear nothing. The Wednesday come I call him, about three times out through the day, I never hear nothing. Thursday, nothing. Friday, nothing. Friday, I call him, man, because now, at the 30 days, this, you know. When he finally answered at the Friday night, you know, Friday night, they can't do no transaction. So, you know, so I say, maybe you can do it. I'm a tough fact. You can do transaction anytime because of email. You know? When I get through to him, I say, yo, you know, the reason why I never answer you because I feel shame, dog. I feel that way am I because the people might try to go around with my youth and me not get no pay in my youth and so I say, you're not getting no pay, then you work my youth. See, the money 30 days when you work every day and you tell me say you're not getting no pay. I mean, I get no pay. I don't understand what you do, my youth. So now I get best vexed now, you know, because I say, my youth, you really tell me say, I go around here, yo, little try, me now go around here, my youth. And you know, back and forth, continue, back and forth. Anyway, the moral of the story is, today are 1 year and 1 month since Milen try. Andrew Ryan, $1,400. 1 year and 1 month today I make. Seeing another Jamaican brethren, friend. But I use the word family because based on how we move, you know what I mean? And this is the situation we come down to. Now, me have all proof and everything, but I could have taken this far. I could have taken this further than wait there. You know what I mean? And for the other good friends, I have like Carl Reed and Andrew Bramley, we say, yo, my youth, in our life sometimes things happen, you know what I mean? So just make him go on, you know? Make him go on. So, you know, me just look back, me really feel hurt about it. I tell you the truth, I'll water come my eye now, you know what I mean? Because it's not like me don't know better. I know better, but the main fact that homegirl involved and she that advised me not to let him. You know what I mean? So, you know, when I jump over the hurdle, you want to prove her wrong, you want to tell her, say, yo, I know everybody stay the way how you talk, you know what I mean? And, you know what I mean, it come round to prove she right and me wrong. And I feel away, I feel messed up, I feel cut up, I feel hurt. You know what I mean? Normally things don't hurt me them type of way, they just make things blow off and smile and laugh about it, you see me? But me I tell you, it really, really shook me, you know what I mean? But I just one of them things there. You know what I mean? It's when it comes to money, you will lend somebody money and then get it, then take it with a smile. You know what I mean? And respect you and big you up and all of that. And when it's time to pay back, it's either you and them in a malice, them vex with you, and you turn on in a misery, you lose friendship, you lose everything because of money. You know what I mean? Now, we as a group, or we as a nation, now, in my case, or my state of mind, I was thinking, one hand help the other. So that was my vision, to group up as a small nation or a small team, build a company, and start employ Jamaicans or carrying Jamaican driver, and we build a team and we do a thing, you know what I mean? And now we have to understand why some of them get to reach nowhere because of our situation, our state of mind, you know what I mean? And you have good people out there, you know, but you have some people who just switch up anything and change because of other people, you know what I mean? But I mean, the kindness of my heart, and like me never want to let him, but me I tell you the truth. He come down to a point where me have to say to myself, sorry me do it. You know what I mean? But what, it's too late. Because I do it already. And he messed me up, you know what I mean? But that never stopped me from pushing myself to get my truck same way. You know what I mean? And see me now 1 year and a month. I'm still a strive. I'm still alive. Everything I go on good same way. Me not fall off, me not drop off, I try stars the same way. You know what I mean? And based on all of that, you know, somebody call immigration and you know my stress, you know my struggle when I go through being in the circle. You know the stress, you know what I mean? And me go through with a smile. So me just do that video here, just to clear this up, off of my head, off of my mind. You know what I mean? Me showing up there, say, yo, when I'm not doing the thing, big brother, when I own a friend, when I own a link, when I have a circle, can carry down an empire, carry down everything, put you in a trouble. Because me know where him live. Me know the apartment where him there. A friend of mine, they live there before with him. Me know him room number. Know him drive, me know him truck. Me know everything. I ain't not take me nothing for reach over there. But what? May I get myself unwanted trouble. I'm not there for that. I'm there for build a life, be something of myself, and continue with this. You know what I mean? And you know, it really unfortunate to have to go down like this, you know what I mean? And you can't keep it, you know what I mean? I don't like me need him to call me and say, yo, try, yo, see your money. I want 3 man. You can't keep that, my dad. You can't keep. Me know you're going to see that video here, you know, because somebody going to send it to you. You know what I mean? Somebody will send it to you, man. All the think you hide, you know, I know everything, you know, mechanic you go. I know everything that. Trust me. I try your deal on you. You know what I mean? So, that's what it said. And brother, my advice to you, try. My advice to you, my youth. You see in a life, my youth, when you have good source, it's when you have link, it's when you have some, and everybody lend money, you know, and everybody you can go to and ask for your thing, you know, brother. So when you have a link, where we go time way and lend your fee more, my youth, always try to pay back the person, my youth. Because that person, they alone can help you in any situation. Because you live all the way over you live all the way over Winnipeg. I mean, they're all the way in Nova Scotia. Whole heap of miles away that. I mean, you have a whole heap of friend over Winnipeg and nobody never lend you. Nobody at all never lend you. Nobody. Not even your wife who you live with never lend you. Nobody. And I'm me dog, take it up and lend you, my youth, and I'm me a disrespect. You see me I say? And I'm me make look like fool. You see me I say? But that's why I tell you that may the good God go with you. You know what I mean? And I hope it do well for you. You know what I mean? And I still feel good say me use the kindness of my heart and put it across there, you know what I mean? But big up yourself. And as I say, my YouTube fans, you know, don't know the thing going on. And leave in a comment and tell me what I go on. Leave in a comment and tell me if we make a wrong move, if me should. You see me I say? Just leave me, just don't talk to me in the comment box, you know what I mean? As I say, this clear my conscience. I one year now, and 1 year and a month or so. I'm gonna leave the script, me screenshot the email after when he received the money. So I'm gonna leave it right up here so when I can see that. And today the where the phone now? Today the 30th of June 2018. 30th of July 2018. Today is the 30th of July 2018. You know what I mean? And I don't know when I'm gonna release a video here still, but we just do it just for make you guys know say TriStar is there, you know what I mean? heart clean, see me, good state of mind. You know what I mean? I'm just going to go through and I enjoy life. So I want, as I said to everybody, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in, you know what I mean? Thanks for subscribe, you know what I mean? And get a video or something like that. I'm going to reach 500 likes with that video, you know? You know what I mean? And all of the link them when I'm going to send that video, go give them. I can see what go on. You see me I say? So big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in. Try size, check out.
So hard for just an enemy, hard for just a friend. Just your friend.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I know so the things hit me G. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.